Welcome to Mind Control Q&A, a series of short videos where I'll answer questions from my subscribers. To get a question answered, simply post your question in the comments section below. You can also submit a question at my site, fredohill.com. Ready? Great. So let's go. Today's question is from Malcolm, and he asks, I am curious about Shogun Method because it seems so different from the other programs. How is it better though? Okay, here's the truth. To put it simply, you cannot hypnotize a girl to kiss you. At least, not in the way you see in cartoons and comedies. You can't wave a pocket watch in front of her eyes, snap your fingers, and make her kiss you. So don't even try, okay? What you can do is hypnotize a woman the Shogun Method way. This is, of course, different from hypnotizing a girl to kiss you, but it's even better. With Shogun Method, you can make a woman so emotionally addicted to you that eventually, she won't be able to hold herself back from kissing you. Make sense? Yes? So here's what I want you to do. I want you to think bigger and beyond just getting a kiss. You can make a girl like you quickly if you know what to say to make her feel certain emotions. And with Shogun Method, you'll have the ability to incite any emotion inside a girl, good and bad. It's really powerful. And the great thing about Shogun-style hypnosis is that it can work immediately. As in, you can make a woman fall in love with you even if she's meeting you for the first time. Sounds good, right? So stop looking for shortcuts and start learning and perfecting the art of using Shogun Method. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Trust me on this. There's one thing you must remember though. Keep in mind that hypnosis is meant to be secretive to begin with. If it's easily spotted or found out, it's bad hypnosis. That's why we focus on bypassing her conscious mind and influencing her subconscious mind. Shogun Method has hundreds of different techniques, principles, and verbal routines called sequences that do precisely that. The key is to find what works for you and get you the results you want. Different Shoguns will have different strategies, but they all focus on the same end goal, emotional addiction, or the E stage inside the famed IRA model. Anyway, so now you know why Shogun Method is so much more effective in relationships than the regular dating guru advice. After all, it's all about emotional addiction and not seduction. What do you think of this answer? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Remember to click like below and subscribe to my channel. For a free masterclass on how to use mind control techniques to gain tremendous power in your relationships, go to fractionationhypnosis.com. You can also click on the description below. Go sign up right now for the masterclass. Trust me, you'll love it. Sign up now.